This next song is written by our fiddle player, Mr. Dan Andre, with his back to the audience right now. Please give him a big hand of applause. This is very much a tradition in bluegrass music, is to write about murder ballads, about killing the person you love. That's right. Well, men too, but most often women, you are correct. But this is a little bit of a twist on that. This doesn't end up the way you think it will. It's called The Track.
Saw you. The fire in your eyes made my blood run cold. As you ran past, those police lights began to flash. When they got to me, the story I was told, they said, son, it's your ma and pa. You see, this man has been running from the law, going around from town to town, just trying to find a place to lay his weary head down. He said you came up to my front porch, started to push open that old screen door. When my ma said no and would not budge, you shot them both down in cold blood.
Gonna track you down.
The day you bury you, the day you bury me.
Gonna track you down.
Till the night I put you out of your misery.
Gonna track you down.
Till the sweat meets blood on this lonesome road.
Gonna track you down.
Till your body lies lifeless and cold. I've spent so many years a searching, watched the prime of my life pass right before my eyes. Well, the road ahead seems endless. I'm gonna track you till the day I die. Even now, revenge feels bittersweet. I still gotta keep my head over my feet. Oh, I know putting you 6 feet deep would never bring my ma and pa back to me. Hunger in my belly and a fever in my soul keep me traveling down this worrisome road. For I know just around one of these bends the sun is gonna rise again.
Gonna track you down.
They can bury you, they bury me.
Gonna track you down.
Till the night I put you out of your misery.
Gonna track you down.
Sweat meets blood on this lonesome road.
Gonna track you down.
Till your body lies lifeless and cold. Made my own blood run cold, and though my finger was itching, that trigger I just could not pull. As I stared down the barrel of my gun, I saw that the road ahead was not nearly done. All these years of searching made my old bones tired, but there was still more that I desired. If you're wondering why did you leave that night, it's because I need a reason just to stay. Life is now set in stone. We're chasing you's all I've ever